just getting ready for the CCTV practice, okay? We're doing some warm-ups over here, so follow me, all right? This is drama skill. All right, good job, guys. Were you just doing some exercise? Yeah. Getting ready, getting pumped. Do you feel good? Yeah. All right, so we do this thing where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we count all the way down until we're 1, and it's really fun, okay? We also like to do some tongue twisters, okay? All right, so if you're, go ahead and stand up and do it with us, all right? So what do? We go, listen to me, ready? Red, leather, yellow, leather, and really enunciate it. Do it really exaggerated so you're warming up your mouth, okay? Red, leather, yellow, leather, red, leather, leather. Woo! It's very easy to get it mixed up. That's why it's called a tongue twister. All right, we also do one called, not called, but this is how it goes. You go, unique, New York, unique. I think New York is unique. You think you got it? That's a hard one. Okay, ready? Unique, New York, unique. I think New York is unique. Unique, New York, unique. I think New York is unique. All right. Okay, good job, guys. That was really good. Do we feel warmed up? Yeah. All right, so I need all of you guys over in your sections. All right. Good. Looking good. Everyone go over there. Sounds good. All right, let's start with Cassidy, of course. Well, you know, she's going to start us off with CCTV. All right, go ahead, Cassidy.
Good morning. Hello, back to CCTV in Spanish. What are you reading?
Cassidy, what are you doing?
I'm reading.
That's not how we read.
I just
You're
read all the
audience. Oh, all right. One of the first things that you guys should know is it's super important to enunciate your words. You probably heard me say that word earlier. It's a bigger word, but it means that you're basically exaggerating what you're saying. And you're also doing it very clearly. That's important. So let's try that again with enunciation, okay? All right.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to CCTV.
That was so good. Thank you so much, Cassidy.
Thank
so did you
you.
see the difference? How she was mumbling and you could hardly understand her. And then when she was really paying attention to the way she was saying it, it was very clear and you could understand her. Thank you, Cassidy. All right, let's keep going. Kristina's turn.
Okay, guys, so today we are in Georgia.
Kristina, what are you doing?
I'm telling them the weather.
Oh, okay. When you're doing something on stage or you're acting, it's kind of bad to have your back to the audience because they can't see your face. Your face is super important, and we'll learn later why it's super important to do that. But you don't want your back to the audience. 1, it's harder to hear you, and 2, like I said, you can't see your face, okay? All right, so let's try that again.
Okay, so today in Georgia, which is right here, there's a rainbow in the sky.
Okay, so one thing that you notice is that when Kristina's talking, she doesn't have her back to the audience, but she still needs to point to the board. So it's called cheating out. So you angle yourself so you can still see your face, but you're also able to do things behind you. All right, thank you so much, Kristina. Okay, moving on. Alexandra, what you got for us?
Okay, which phase word is omniscient, which is having infinite awareness, understanding, and insight.
Can you guys hear her? Can you speak just a little bit louder, Alexandra? Just a little bit.
Hey everyone, today's word is omniscient, which is having infinite awareness.
There it is. That was perfect. She projected. That is our third thing, projection. We had enunciating, we had don't turn your back, and now we have projection. It's super important that you project and you say things nice and loud. Now, how do we project? Where does it come from? It comes from our diaphragm. If you're a singer or whatever, and maybe you play an instrument, right? You have to use your diaphragm a lot. And you do the same thing when acting. When you're talking, you can notice right now that I'm talking very loudly and clearly, and that's super important because one of the main mission that as an actor is that you want to get a point across to your audience. And that point can't get across if you do not speak loudly enough and clearly enough, because then people can't hear you, okay? So that's super important. So thank you, Alexandra. That was great. Let's move on. Katie, what you got for us?
Hey guys, today's challenge is to make a present or craft.
All right, Katie, let's add a little bit more like emotion to it, maybe like a little bit more like being super excited, or because you're excited to say what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Like we talked about, like the point you want to get across. Like you want to. So try that again one more time.
Hey guys, today's challenge for you today is to make a present or a craft for your neighbor. I hope that you get to them soon today.
Awesome. Okay, so see the difference. She smiled, she used her hands. There was a lot of expression, and that's important because you want to know that Katie is happy and that she's not upset about doing what she's doing, because emotion says a lot. Not that being upset is a bad emotion. Lots of times as an actor, maybe you have to be mad, maybe you have to be sad, and that's okay because that may be the point you have to get across to your audience. All right, so thank you so much, guys. That was awesome. I'm so glad that you were able to join us for our practice of CCTV and for this drama skill. I hope you learned a lot. You can now go home and practice those tongue twisters, practice the fun little exercise they were doing, and practice these 3 things, okay? Oh, sorry, 4 things. Enunciating, not turning your back, expression, and then also projection, okay? So those 4 things are super important. I want you to go home and make a video of you practicing those 4 things, okay? All right, awesome. Send it to our email, camp@campcrosspoint.org. All right, see you guys. Bye.